Hello, good day everyone. So today we will be talking about videography and Filmora. So first we will start on videography. Videography refers to the electronic capturing of moving pictures on electronic media such as digital cameras, videotapes, and streaming media from a technological aspect. So from the definition itself, videography starts from a moving pictures. So it's all started in a single picture. In layman's terms, it refers to a certain type of hands-on video production that is often smaller in scale. So smaller in scale, it means that having videography requires only a few individuals in production. Now let's proceed to the history of video production and progression. In 1826, Joseph Nepsy took the first black and white photograph. So the history of videography all started in a single photograph. Here is an example of a black and white photograph. As you can see, you can't really see the details of the picture and it's hard to identify. Next is, in 1832, Joseph Plateau invented the pinakistoscope, or what we call in the other word, spindle viewer, which was the first to imitate moving pictures. So I have here the example of a spindle viewer. So spindle viewer is a disc that divided into several pictures. So it looks like a pizza divided into triangles. Then every parts na has a drawing that from first picture looks like the next picture is the another movement. Then this spindle viewer is being faced in the mirror. Then you will rotate it, and the result of it is look like this in our screen. So here's an example of how to uh, produce a spindle viewer. Next is, in 1870, John Wesley Yacht developed and patented celluloid for use as a photographic film production. So celluloid is looks like this. So as what I've said earlier, the purpose of celluloid in the very first place is for photographic purposes only. Then later on, it's already used in videography. Next, in 1878, various English photographers were employing the zoopracisoscope to capture the motions of animals using multiple photographs. So zoopracisoscope is related in spindle viewer, but from the word zoo, it's uses using animals. So here is an example of an zoopracisoscope, which its animals is moving or running. So it's a continuous movement because it is also a disc. Next is, in 1891, near the end of the century, Thomas Edison created the true motion picture cameras. So true motion picture cameras, it's not like the spindle viewer and the zoopracisoscope because it's already using cameras. Then, in 1895, the projector was eventually made accessible. So this projector being run by the use of the celluloid. So it has a light so that serve as a projector to be presented on the wall. In 1902, color in movies first emerged in small bursts. So in this time, the primary colors is being used like red, blue, and yellow. So in 1918, movies have full color pictures debuting with the premiere of Cupid Angling. So this time, they already use all colors and they're not just using primary colors anymore, but they already using the all the colors in the movie Cupid Angling. So here is an example of an scene in the movie Cupid Angling. So as you can see, there are a lot of colors in that scene. Next, in 1927, films began to integrate sound. So let's go back here. so in let's go back to the Cupid Angling. So Cupid Angling is a silent movie because sound is not yet integrated during that time. So in 1927, films began to integrate sound. Then The Jazz Singer, the movie The Jazz Singer was the first film to use lip synchronized singing and musical scenes. So here is a part of a movie The Jazz Singer. So they are singing with a lip sync. So they already integrated sound in this movie. Now, let's proceed to the history of video production and progression. In 1964, Sony released the first portable video recorder. So the name of this portable video recorder is what we call Sony Portapak. So from the word portable, it is handy. Then in 1973, films were able to be recorded in this rather than huge rolls of films. So in this time, the first uh, the first disc. So in this time, the first release disc is what we call the floppy disk. It is released by the IBM, or the International Business Machine, in 1971. So as you can see, in 1973, films were able to be recorded on disc rather than huge roll of films. So floppy disk released in 1971. At this recording using this was being used or being integrated in 1973. Okay, now let's proceed to the equipment of videography. First is a stabilizer. Stabilizer, a mountable rig that works to avoid any unwanted movement and maintains smooth footage during operation. So stabilizer is the one who make the shaky videos into a smooth footage. So next is the lighting equipment. Maintains the visual quality of your clip. So it is being used to fill the shadows so that the result of the video is on high quality. The next one is sound accessories. On-camera microphones for videographers are super helpful, says Miller. So it is very helpful because it can use as a noise cancellation method. So it's the voice is only focused on the audio, and it will cancel unnecessary noise in the backgrounds. Next is the multiple lenses. There are two basic categories of camera lenses. First is the prime lenses, and the second one is the zoom lenses. So let's dig deeper about these two lenses. First is the prime lenses. Have a fixed focal length, offer a sharp picture quality. So the purpose of the prime lenses is you can record a video with a high quality on a specific distance. Then if you want to record video with a wider range or a longer range, so you will change the lens from prime lens into the zoom lenses. So the purpose of this zoom lenses is you can zoom in or zoom out the video without destroying or without any interruptions on the quality of the videos. Next is the backups. Memory or SD cards rescued the event if the camera was running out of space. So SD cards means secure digital cards. So it is very important because it helps a lot because it serves as a storage of the cameras. So it is important in videography production because it helps the cameraman to save all the important videos. Now we will be tackled about Filmora. Filmora is a video editing app that is a friendly user and a very helpful, especially for those who are in beginners in video editing. So Wondershare Filmora 11. So Filmora 11 is the version we will use in this discussion. So the most updated version of Filmora is Filmora 12. So Filmora is a video editing software that enables users to create amazing videos efficiently using a wide range of powerful editing tools. So let's tackle about the elements of Filmora workspace. First is the editor timeline. Showcases the changes you include in your video like cutting, trimming, adding, audio, video, and etc. The third row in the editor timeline is the audio track, which you will insert all the audio, musics, and any sound related that you will use in your video editing purposes. The second row is the video track, which you will insert all the videos or images that you will use in your video. Then the first row is the effects. Next is the preview window box, where you can see the applied changes to your original clips while playing the edited video. So if you edit video in the editor timeline, so you can preview those videos to see if there are errors in your edited video so before exporting the video. So here you can see the how smooth the edited video you've done. So the full quality or the resolution of Filmora in Filmora 11, if we are using free, we're using it for free, is 4000 uh, resolution. Next is the elements panel, where you get all the elements from Filmora. So elements panel parts is the media, stock media, audio, titles, transitions, effects, stickers, templates, and the split screen. First is the media. So the media is where you can find all your uploaded videos that you will use for your video that you will need to be edited. So consists of the different media folders. Next is the stock media. Stock media is the inbuilt graphic editing media you can use to amplify your video edits. So stock media has in its own built-in or inbuilt videos offered by Filmora that you can use to enhance your video edits. Next is the audio. Consists of various categories of background music and soundtracks. So here you can have your recordings, audios, uh, music, and etc. that are related to sounds. Next one is titles. Contains customizable text, headers, subtitles, lower thirds, and credits, and etc. So everything that uses text that you will be applied in your edits, uh, you can find it on titles. So Filmora offered some editable or customizable titles that you can use to enhance your edits. The next one is transitions. Contains clip connecting elements. So transitions is used to enhance the transition of two videos. So from the first clip to the second clip, you will use transition so that it can have some effects and the transition of the videos will not dry. Last one is effects. Let you choose stunning effects to complement your edits. So if the transition is the connecting elements of your videos, the effects is to enhance the video that you are using, that you are editing. Then the last one is the elements. Motion graphics you can use to decorate your video. So as you can see on the screen, like a subscribe button. So it looks like an GIF that have some it's short picture, it's moving pictures with integrate sounds. Then last but not the least is the split screen. So split screen make a video that has same actor appearing in the same scope simultaneously. So you can play different videos in just one screen at a time. So the most common example of it is the comparison videos before and after and etc. Now we have here the key features offered by Filmora. First is the 4K editing support. Enables users to edit and export videos at resolution of up to 4K. So 4K resolution is the resolution offered by Filmora for free. So if we want to increase the resolution, so we will be subscribing Filmora. So we will pay for the extra features offered by Filmora. The next one is the GIF support. Allows importing, editing, and exporting of GIF files. So GIF is known as graphic interchange format. So we can import GIF when we edit videos. The third one is the color tuning. Enables user to adjust the white balance and the dynamic range of their clips. So color tuning, we can use the temperature, or we can adjust the color into cold or into hot, depends on the video that we are editing. We can also use black and white, and there's a lot of colors that may be suitable for our video editing. Then the next one is the audio mixer. Enables changing the audio of each track. So the main purpose of the audio mixer is, for example, we are using an audio and a background music at the same time. So in order for us to hear the audio, we'll be lower the volume of the background music, and we will increase the volume of the audio. So audio mixer is responsible for increasing or decreasing the volume of two different sounds that being played at the same time in our videos. Then the next one is Advantage Editor. Allows editing the color, size, font, and even animation of the text. So fonts is very important, that may be suit or fit to the video that we are being edited. So we can adjust the size and the font, especially the color. So we can use a text, especially in the lower thirds or the subtitles. Then the next one is screen recording. Enables recording the screen of the computer and webcam efficiently. So there are three types of recording. So first is the webcam. So webcam is the video offered by Filmora, video and audio. The second one is the screen recording itself, so you're just recording the screen. And the third one is the audio recording, or you will just only recording the audio. Then the last one is the video stabilization. Eliminates the effects of the camera shake. For example, when you're taking the video, you are not using stabilizer. So Filmora offers video stabilization that eliminates the shaky videos that you have taken.